Hello everyone. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is the reading for you. This is yearly reading 2021 yearly prediction. Okay, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So your yearly predictions, let's see what are the messages. Pisces, water sign. What are the messages for you for 2021? Okay, let's see. Your card. The moon. Pisces. Under the deck, the Fool. So let's see your yearly prediction in first 4 months, the first row, and middle, then 4 months, then last 4 months. Okay, I think in first January, you stand by your power. You are very passionate about what are you are doing, because Queen of Wands, definitely you stand by your power and you are very attractive and you are doing your work in very passionately. Okay, yeah, in that month you are very powerful, and you are in a very powerful energy, and you are very grounded. Okay, and in the month of February, okay, what I'm seeing here, there are some illusions, some misunderstandings between you and your person, or some something unusual is going to be happen, because the moon is there. Definitely you may be suspecting someone, whatever, and or in your career life there will be some illusions. In the month of March, 5 of Swords, I think you are at some dilemma, because in March and February there are something is going in your mind a lot. You are thinking about something a lot. There is some fighting between you and your person. It could be any person in your life. There's some secrets is also hidden. You may be hiding something from your person, or your person may be hiding something like that. That's why there are some disturbances in February and March. And in April, maybe you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision regarding something. You don't know which decision you have to make. Okay, you are at some crossroads. April month. Okay, but in January it is a powerful start for you. But in February and March, you are growing something like thinking about something a lot, and there are some disturbances also. But in the month of April, you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision. Okay, but May, someone is coming towards you very passionately. That person is also a fire sign, Knight of Wands. They are very passionate about you. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Definitely some sincere offer is coming in your way, Pisces, if you are waiting for. If you are in separation, definitely some past person. I am seeing two person. One person is new person, and another person is past person. So past person coming back with sincere offer, and new person is very passionate about you in relationship. I think May, June, something in someone is entering in your life in May or June, some new person. And but you are working towards your career and goals. I think you are working a lot in middle 4 months. You are a Queen of Pentacles. You are in energy. Definitely you are concentrating on your career, and you are concentrating on your making money, financial stability. You are thinking about your financial things a lot, what I'm getting here, because 3 of Wands, they're list, they're here. You are thinking about something a lot. So in June, definitely you are concentrating on your career more, and July, So in May, but I am not seeing what here. You are not interested on relationships, but you are interested on your career making, what I am seeing here, because two persons coming towards you, okay, in May and June. But July, you are working towards your career. In middle 4 months, definitely you are working towards your career, and you turn your back from your persons because you have no time. Your concentration on your career, okay. And then last 4 months, September, October, November, December, and Three of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and Two of Wands. Definitely, someone is coming back to you to work on this relationship, or you are getting some in relationship. Someone is coming back to work on you with your relationship. Then something happened. Five of Pentacles, some separation. You're feeling very stuck. Okay, November and December, you are thinking about something a lot. But what I'm seeing here in career wise, yeah, you are getting more money. September, Three of Pentacles, definitely you started something new. You started something business with another person. Three of Pentacles, collaboration. Then Five of Pentacles means in career wise, definitely there is some loss. October month, yeah, I think in that business is not going well, then you will see some loss in financial. Then October month, okay, September, October, and November month, you feel stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are feeling very stuck. I think both emotional, both financially, and relationship wise also, you feeling very stuck. And last month, December, Two of Wands. Yeah, you are now somewhere stable in energy, and you are thinking something a lot. Two of Wands. If you are in long distance relationship, definitely both are living in different cities and different countries or different states. So what I'm seeing here, two persons, the overall reading I'm seeing in starting of the 4 months, definitely you stand by your power, then some secrets, some disturbances, then you have to make some major decision. Then later 4 months, someone from past and someone new is coming towards you, but you are concentrating on your career, you turn your back from your persons. But last 4 months, there is some collaboration, some partnership I am seeing with your person. I think it could be one past person or one new person, choice up to you. But I am seeing with past person because that person is very sincere. Then something happened between both of you. There is some cold shouldering, or in some career, in financial wise, definitely there is some loss in October. Then you're feeling very very low, and you are feeling very very stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. Eight of Swords. Then December, you are thinking about something a lot. Okay, so here lot of signs involved, but what I'm seeing here, lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I am not seeing any love energy. That's why you are more concentrating on your career, because here no water energy is here. A lot of fire energy. There is a lot of passion involved between both of you, but you have no time. What I'm getting here. But in last 4 months, there is some reconciliation I am seeing here, because Three of Pentacles. Someone is coming back with sincere offer. You maybe accept this offer in September month. So this is your overall predictions. Okay. So let's pull some cards from universe. Final message. 4 cards only. First. The Lovers, Ten of Wands, the World, Temperance. Yeah, definitely the Lovers. Yes, Gemini, your person could be, definitely someone is coming back with love offer to you, but you are very very burdened. You are concentrating on your career. You have so many responsibilities in your life. That's why you are not unable to make any decision. Two of Swords is there, and the World. This could be long distance relationship. You maybe live far from your parents. or from your wife or from your family. This could be long distance relationship, and the overall message temperance, definitely patience. I think you want balance in your life, because two of wands December, you are thinking about something in your life which is not going well, because the eight of swords energy is there, some loss, some cold shouldering, or for some you person coming back you rejected, then you are feeling very very sad for that. I think in the month of December you will achieve some balance in your life, Pisces. I think it is about all financial stability. Yeah, relationship wise coming back, you also accept one offer. Definitely there will be some reconciliation. If you give permission, okay, if you let them in, definitely there will be some reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonate to you. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for